Hey guys, welcome to the video today. So this Christmas tree, it was a pre-lit Christmas tree, and my family has had this, I don't know, about 10 years or so. And last year, we were having some issues with certain sections of the tree not lighting up. And so I was able to replace a bunch of the incandescent light bulbs, and I ended up getting it to work. I'm not sure exactly what was wrong with it. But then I think it was after Christmas, but before New Year's, I think something like that, sometime later in the season, the Christmas tree had sections that stopped working again. So, I did not fix it last season, and then this season, we put together the Christmas tree and same issue. Certain sections were not working. So I spent, I don't know, maybe 2 hours replacing light bulbs, trying to get the sections to work, and I just could not get it to work. And I didn't want to buy a new Christmas tree for multiple reasons. This Christmas tree is sentimental to me. Like I said, my family's been using this for probably 10 years or so now, and so I wanted to keep it. I also don't like to just throw stuff away if I don't have to. And then also, I was thinking cost savings. Why would I throw away something that I could potentially find a solution? So that's what this video is about. So I spent another probably, I don't know, 2, 3, 4 hours taking off all of the pre-lit Christmas lights on this tree. And it was a task. Like I said, I don't know the exact time, but it was probably something like 2, 3, 4 hours over a couple days. There were clips that were holding the lights onto the branches, and some wire ties, and it just took time, and I wanted to be careful because I didn't want to damage the tree. So right now, there are no, I've gotten all the pre-lit lights that came with the tree are gone. I've taken them off. And before we begin, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions. Okay, so I bought some new light bulbs to put on our Christmas tree. And these ones are cool because the old incandescent ones were they were like a white color, and they didn't do anything else. The tree just lit up, with the white color. These are cool because they're LED, and they're both a warm white color I can have, or I can have multicolor, and then they have different modes that do different things, like maybe fade or change or blink. I don't know exactly, but there's a warning on the box, so make sure that you read through all that information if these are the Christmas lights you decide to go with. They're made by this company. It's like Brizzled, or maybe it's Briz LED. I'm not sure. But this set of lights is 500 LED lights. So let's see here. Opening the box, and inside there are button cell battery instructions and manuals. And whatever lights you buy, make sure that you read through all of the information on the packaging and any information inside of the packaging before you use your lights. Okay, so I have a remote here that it came with, and then, okay, here are just like a brick of LED lights, and the power plug, and then the cable here. So I don't know, because it's hard to kind of figure it out exactly how many lights I haven't spaced them. Well, I know how many lights I have. 500 LED is what it says, but I'm talking about spacing these evenly to make sure by the time I make it to the top of the tree, that I'm out of lights. But we'll just see how it goes. I'm just kind of going up and down each branch, and we'll just see how it goes. So I'm just going to keep at this. Since you can see what I've done this far, I'll do one more branch here. So I'm just going to keep at this, and then I'll come back and show you the final result. But I'm just kind of going, up and down each branch and just trying to, get the lights to sit in there comfortably. All right, I'll be back. All right, guys, moment of truth. I have not plugged this in yet, so you'll be seeing it in the video as I see it in real life here. And let's see here. And then I'll pan up so you can see the whole tree, but we're at least going to see the bottom here. They might not turn on right away because I might have to use the remote. But anyways, I'm going to plug it in right now. Okay, so that's a very similar color to how the tree was pre-lit before with the incandescent bulbs. So I was kind of concerned that the 500 lights was going to be too much, but it worked out good. I just went up and down each branch, and then I stopped right at the top there, near the top there, because we have an angel that goes over the top of the tree. Okay, so I turned my ring light off just so we're just seeing the lights from the Christmas tree. And here's the remote. It has like a little tab here that I need to pull out, so I'm going to do that now. That way the battery can make connection with the remote. And we're going to check out the different modes, and some of these modes may be flashing or fading or blinking, so just be aware of that. Okay, let's start with, let's just go number 1 here. Okay. Okay, let's look at number 2 here. Okay, maybe that's just the solid color there, the solid warm white color. Number 3. That's cool. Maybe that's like the solid multicolor. Number 4. Kind of like a variation of the multicolor in the warm white color. And 5. I'm just going to go through the rest of these without, I don't know, just a different variation here. So here's 6. 7. 8. Oh, I don't like that one. Look at that. I don't like that one. Here's 9, kind of doing the same thing. I don't like that one either. 10. Oh, this one's kind of interesting. Okay, that one's kind of interesting. And then here's 11. Some of these, I don't like the fast changing colors ones. I like, probably honestly, my favorite is probably just like number 3 here. So there's some option right here to dim and make the lights brighter. So I think they're at their brightest now. And then if I press the dim button, that looks like the lowest brightness it can go. And then if I press the plus button, that looks like the brightest it can go. And then on the remote, there are like some timer options and like a timer off button, and then like an on and an off button. So I don't plan on using the timer buttons, and I don't know what the 6639H means. So yeah, let's just test. I'm going to turn off the Christmas tree and then I'll turn it back on. So that was turning off the Christmas tree. and then that was turning the Christmas tree back on. All right, guys, I hope that this video was helpful, and thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one.